yakora ino ari kwibuka ukuntu Jonas yavugaga mu kigo ngaramukunda ndabwira ngo uri kutse abana biga segonderi nabo bari mu rukundo yewe izi mikino sinigeze zikina unagiye umwana kwiga ngagiye gushaka yoshe
Even when you're daydreaming, Jonas is the only you ever think about.
Yakuriro Nina ari mu rukundo bari kumuserereza ngo ari mu rukundo.
You got me now. It's early in the morning and you have the time to tease me like that? Well, like you said,
Yakuriro
Nina, we have this first thing in the morning.
Tugomba kubanza twitoza mu gitondo.
Performance at the celebration.
Tugomba kwitoza kugira ngo tuzaserebure ejo bazabizihiza isabukuru. Igihe papa na mama bakoze ubukwe.
I forgot about that.
Nabyibagiwe.
It's okay, Nina.
Bisobanura Nina.
Know now that you and Jonas are still together.
We na Jonas kigeze namwe muracyari kumwe.
Elections.
Nubwo amatora yo kwishuri kubashyiraho igitutu.
We are. I mean, I think we can handle ourselves. We are. I think we can handle ourselves, regardless of pressures and the competition.
Turaza kwitaho tutitaye ku gitutu turi gushyirwaho n'ibihe by'amatora.
Our secure relationship.
Ndetse umubano wacu turaza kuwusigasira.
It's like mommy and daddy, right?
Neza neza.
Wayifirika akaziriko gatoya sha